Hello, I thought I'd do a short little video just to explain about a new channel that I'm starting called Islington's Queer History. I'm exploring LGBTQIA plus themes, historical themes in this borough that I live in, and my main focus is going to be Clerkenwell, but I will look at the history of the whole borough as well. So, um, some thoughts about um, where this is going to go. Um, the last couple of years, I've noticed these, they're called pink pins. They're like little plaques that you find on lampposts and various telegraph poles and sometimes attached to a wall. And in about, I think it was 2022, they were set up to um, provide information to the public. They've got a QR code and they celebrate either a person or an organization that was important for the LGBTQIA plus movement over the decades. One of the first ones that I visited in February in this year, and this was February is LGBTQIA plus History Month in the UK. The first one I went to was Highbury in Islington, the Highbury Fields, because that was the location of the first Gay Liberation Front Pride March. Well, the equivalent of Pride, but the first one. It was inspired by the Stonewall riots and the marches that developed from that in New York. And this was London's equivalent. On the 27th of November 1972, a group gathered in Highbury Fields for this purpose, to campaign for LGBTQIA plus rights. At that point, it was just lesbian and gay, but it did include the wider community. There probably, and there weren't the other letters so much. I mean, the thing about it that at the moment there's um, some people trying to divide the TQ from the LGB, but everyone who is LGBTQIA plus comes out or reveals to other people if they are exploring their authentic self and sharing it with other people. They need to come out. If you're cis and straight, you don't need to do that. It's assumed. You're the default. If you're anything else, if you don't fall into cis and straight in any way, then you need to come out. And that's why I think it's important that we all stick together because we are stronger together. So, a few of the people I've thought about, because I've seen their pink plaques, or in some cases, they've gone missing. But for one thing, there is Charlie Kiss on Highbury, on Holloway Road by the Highbury end, the sort of N5 end near Highbury Corner. He was a campaigner for the pacifist movement, Greenham Common, um, those those kind of issues. Another person I'm thinking of is Sonia Burgess, whom I only recently found out about. She was a human rights lawyer. Um, there's a few people who are alive, and I'm thinking of going, first of all, starting with some of the people who have died, and then the people who are alive. Um, I'm not sure about making a video about them, but I'm thinking of doing individual videos for each person. So that's the idea of the channel, to talk about the history and what I've managed to find out about it. I'm going to be giving a talk next month, and so I'm trying to learn as much as I can about all of the plaques. I don't think I'll get through all of them in time for my talk, but I'm going to learn as much as I can. And some of it will be online, some of it will be places like the British Library, the London Metropolitan Archives, uh, the London Metropolitan University. They've got a special place as well. So um, it's people like Derek Jarman, and there's some cases like Joe Meeks, quite a few tragedies. Um, there's Benjamin Britten is one example from a long time back, but I'll be looking at different eras and how the how things were at that particular time, and um, I think they're all going to go on this particular um, new channel, and I'll put a link in the description, and hope to see you there soon. And maybe if I get round to giving walks and showing people around, you could even visit some of the plaques yourself, or you may be able to find them yourself, but some of them are missing. So I'm hoping to um, find out which plaques are actually missing and seeing if they can be replaced, or there can be some other way of um, getting these places permanently recognised. Okay, thanks for watching. Please have a look at my new channel, Islington's Queer History. Thanks for watching, and hope to see you there. Bye for now.